our core focus really is fighting this war against ransomware and stopping breaches, right? We as a company are focused on really ensuring that our CIOs and CISOs across India can really have a peaceful sleep. And how can they do that? Primarily by adopting advanced AI-enabled platform technologies like SentinelOne, which provide a real-time prevention, detection, response in a way that's unprecedented because the attacks are unprecedented. I think what we're seeing is India is very unique. While we have a lot of advanced technologies coming in one area, we are also very legacy oriented, which basically means that we have a lot of air gap networks, which means that we have a lot of on-prem installations, and it's a classic India, right? It's, India likes this on-prem, hybrid, and cloud at the same time. And SentinelOne is uniquely positioned to really offer a platform that is super powerful, not just in the cloud, which today a lot of companies claim to be, but also have the same power and efficacy in terms of protecting customers in an on-prem environment, which basically means that a customer like a manufacturing company, a customer who's in pharmacy, they have parts of their companies which are online and we protect them from a SaaS offering, but they also have parts of their companies which are on-prem, and we're able to protect them also using our same technology. And I think that gives us an edge over everybody else in the market. And I think customers love that because today then they don't have to have that many number of agents, right? They are now comfortable with one single agent, a lightweight agent that can help them get this visibility, protection across, on-prem all the way to the cloud. I think we are seeing this across not just India, but across the world, that there is a pressure on decreasing costs. At the same time, there's also another pressure, which is about lack of talent. And the only way to overcome both these pressures together is to try and build an autonomous platform. It basically means automation. It basically means bringing the power of artificial intelligence into what we call as autonomous cybersecurity. It basically means that you're reducing human intervention and being able to fight machines against machines. Because clearly cybersecurity based on humans, based on the traditional technologies is outdated, it's irrelevant, it's antiquated, and hence we are able to offer that, which helps them address both these issues from a cost perspective and from a talent perspective. I have been here for 25 years in this industry, and I've heard this story many times. Companies which tried consolidation of cybersecurity, they don't exist today. They all failed, and they failed because imagine getting the same efficacy of protection from somebody who makes your router, your switch, your firewall, your endpoints, your DLPs, and your operating system. That usually doesn't end well. I think it is always going to be best in class or best in breed, because hackers or adversaries don't operate on the same principles as we operate. They don't have guardrails. They don't decide, oh my God, because this company makes great operating system and they make great business software, and hence when they make some great security software, it will be more difficult for me to attack them. Actually, it's much more easier. Why? Because the DNA of cybersecurity comes from being an attack mindset. And none of these large companies who talk about consolidation today have an attacker's mindset when they create a product. And hence they have a defender's mindset, which basically means they usually miss attacks.